the Chamber is convinced that the accused is guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crimes with which he has been charged. Its verdicts are unanimous. Stand up, please, Ali Muhammad Ali Abd-Al-Rahman. The Chamber's verdicts are as follows. For the war crime of attack against a civilian population, count 1, under Articles 8.2e1 and 25.3b of the statute, committed during the Kudum and Bendizi operation, guilty. For the war crime of pillaging, count 4, under the relevant articles, and committed during the Kudum and Bendizi operation, guilty. For the war crime of destroying the enemy's property, count 5, under the relevant counts of the statute, again committed during the Kudum and Bendizi operation, guilty. For the crime against humanity of other inhumane acts, count 6, under the relevant articles of the statute, committed during the Kudum and Bendizi operation, guilty. For the war crime of outrages upon personal dignity, counts 7, 16 and 26 under the relevant articles of the statute, again committed during the Kudum, Bendizi, Mukja and Delej operations, guilty. For rape as a crime against humanity and a war crime, counts 8 and 9 under the relevant articles, committed during the Kudum and Bendizi operation, guilty. For the crime against humanity of forcible transfer of population under count 10, committed during Kudum and Bendizi, guilty. For torture as a crime against humanity and a war crime, counts 12 and 13 and 22 and 23 under the relevant articles of the statute, committed during the Mukja and Delej operations, guilty. For murder and attempt murder as a crime against humanity and a war crime, counts 2 to 3, 17 to 20, 27 to 30, under the relevant articles, committed during the Kudum, Bendizi, Mukja and Delej operations, guilty. For crime against humanity of persecution, counts 11, 21 and 31 under the relevant articles of the statute on political and ethnic grounds during Kudum and Bendizi, and on political, ethnic and gender grounds during Mukja and Delej, guilty.